Hello everyone, this is Deb again. I just wanted to give you an update on my garden. These are the tomato plants that I had in my whiskey barrels, and they are getting out of control here. These are Texas tomato cages that are a two-part system, and it's time to put the top on them. The top is the same height as the bottom. I think they're 3 feet tall. And then the top goes into these here holes. So after I get those on, I'll show you what they look like. But the tomato plants themselves are looking really good. I've got tomatoes going. I stopped pinching the flowers because they were getting big enough. So these guys look really good and healthy. And I planted them at the same time as these other tomatoes, but these guys are not as big, and I think it's because they don't get quite as much sun as the other ones. So they're still healthy and everything. They still got tomatoes on them, but they're not quite as overgrown and big as the others, because this garden bed just doesn't receive as much sun as that area right there. But the pepper plants are looking good. I got peppers on them. I don't know if you can see them or not. And they'll just get bigger and bigger, and then they'll start turning colors. If I leave them on there long enough, they'll start turning red. Alright, so that was my update. Happy Independence Day, guys. Bye.